Hi everyone, Christy
And Joe.
from Martin's Floral and Home Decor in Springfield, Missouri, and thank you for joining us today. Of course, we're bringing to you one of our favorite companies. We always get so excited. Everybody picks out their favorite things, and if you've been following Maddie, showing you some of those new things, we hope you're liking them. We've got a couple of videos coming your way, and of course, you're going to see some things if you've been following us from the previous videos that are going to go with these collections. So we're going to start. Of course, woodland, we were talking about these gorgeous ice trees available in several styles, and there will be other pieces to join this onto the beautiful beaded creamy stuff. And if you remember the previous video, you'll remember these and this gorgeous thing. So there's going to be some
And
more
there's
components,
several different
Yes.
shapes
yes,
for those
yes,
as well.
yes. Same way with this. There are two different sizes, and I believe there may be a tall one too that's not arrived yet. So that one's gorgeous. Now this little piece, and if you've seen my pictures from market, this gorgeous thing was hung into some real pretty thick greenery with magnolias and like real cream ivory ribbons. I think that whole thing, and it can even go with this.
Yeah, you got that green going.
That's soft. I love that soft. Okay, take it, Joe.
Oh, well, we've just got Santa's galore. So, and a few snowmen. This little guy, all,
He's all glittered.
he's all glittered and iced and whatnot. But this is one of my favorites. I just like the woodland.
I do too.
You know,
And the boots. I've got a shoe thing. I've got a shoe thing.
Of course. But yeah, so several different Santas you'll see along the way, and obviously he's not real traditional, but he's one of my favorites.
He's gorgeous woodland too.
Well, and we've got so many woodland pieces that can go in.
Look at him.
Yeah, and
Yeah, I like
so yeah, we will be decorating him up quite a bit. Yeah, so we've got.
Like
Hopefully, I won't break anything over here, but
we all do.
Yeah. So, back to the traditional, your Santa Claus with a little bit of glitter going on.
And look, that kind of.
Yeah.
These are gorgeous. I love these little glass.
Yeah.
But yes, I broke a couple of those.
Well, and then again, we've got our Santas. A couple different styles. There's a lot of fun ones.
Look at his little jacket.
He's
little
going
jacket.
skiing.
I like
He's
him.
ready to go.
And some of them.
But,
I think their faces look really good this year
Yeah,
too.
they have
The faces
they have
are
some
good.
pretty expressions, and
There's been a few
whatnot.
years where there's gorgeous clothes, but the faces,
not so much.
not so much. Oh, and our first Christmas sale,
Yes, our iced berries here.
they go with that other collection.
Yeah,
that's
I
back
like
there.
the darker ones.
I do too.
Versus the
There was
brighter
three
red.
colors. I do too.
Well, we may have sold those.
We probably sold.
I did.
It was kind of an orange. She
the
bought it
orange
for
ones.
something kind of faller every
Yes,
day.
she did. She went with fall. So
I like that. I
do
like
like
that was
those.
pretty.
Those are fun.
Okay. Oh, this is gorgeous. Ooh, that would go
Oh,
with all that
that-
stuff we had earlier. Oh, this is pretty. There's a lot of beaded, and of course, this will be attractive when it's shaped out. Kind of having a me hair day, but these are so pretty, and there's a couple sizes of them.
Yep, there's the other
There's
side.
Junior.
A size.
If you're just wanting something simple, you know, like in a kitchen. Sometimes I love seeing kitchens where they just have, you know, a little bit of a pop of red and a pop of green. And it's real natural, real pretty. And there's kind of a garland that's going to come in with this, which would be beautiful laid down or hung up. Or and look, part of the gingerbread series. Gingerbread's going to be a little different this year for our gingerbread people. And I like the colorations. It's real warm. Oh, there we go.
There's
Look at the warm tones.
whoa, Santa down.
He's okay. And he didn't break. Hallelujah.
So yeah, that's a nice piece. I like
like
the
that.
darker look to it this year.
And these will light up. We don't have this. I think this one lights up before I say that. Yes. Most all of these light up, and we've got them clear up to big, giant guys. Oh, this is fun. Greg, they were excited
I like it.
designers. I like this. This has so many things you can do with it other than just hanging it. Now, I actually put a similar look over my dining room because I do a real vintage look in my dining room, but I just hung these up over the top.
That's got some bling to it.
It does.
so,
It's beautiful.
yeah.
The colors are beautiful.
And
Oh,
ju-
yes.
And just a little preview. We've got more nutcrackers coming, but these are candlesticks.
I know. I thought they were so
You
cute.
know, put your tapers in that and start on your tablescape. But
By the way, and something I forgot, we have the the candle line, the one, you know, that's artificial, but it looks like a wavy cat. And we do
Okay.
have tapers this year. Yeah, we are going to have tapers, and they're beautiful. And yes, she's right. The nutcrackers, there's going to be a
Christy
big
went a little
family. I went a little
crazy,
crazy on
just
that.
a little bit.
So, oh, now
but-
look at this. Part of the gingerbread. And look at the colors. This is that fun color with a little bit of the turquoise, that blue that people like. But there's so much detail. Look and see how cute would it be to have him with this.
I like it.
He's got a little bulb and he's got candy, which
all
makes
about
me
the candy.
happy. You know me, and the snack thing. I just think he's so pretty. He's got a lot of detail to him. Stay. Oh yes,
Yeah.
that's the other
Well,
one.
and this goes back with the gingerbread
Yeah.
stuff.
Ta-da.
Yeah, you could certainly make a display with
Yes.
those pieces and
And the detail again.
creams and again.
Look at this. The
Those
detail.
little gingerbread buttons.
He's got gingerbread buttons and he's got lace. Look at the lace on his boots.
What's this? Oh, he's got a little bit of a lining
he is
going
wired.
on.
He is
Yeah,
wired.
He is.
So, and that's the thing.
Oh,
You
he's
can
got
do
a
whatever.
ruffle. There it
Oh,
is.
pretty. Oh, he does have a
There's a
ruffle.
little ruffle going out there. Okay.
I like that. He's got a pocket. Snack
For
box.
snacks.
Now see, yeah, snack pocket. Everybody's gonna be like, Christy loves that. This, look at these. These are good little trees again too.
Here's
And once
the
again,
larger size to go with.
once again, they will be prettier when they're shaped. But actually, they're pretty natural looking right now. That cedar, of course, as you all know, is one of the best-selling garlands there is. They made little. I kind of suggested we need some trees to go with those garlands. So that guy will have to. Oh, here's another one. Look at this one. Look at this little. Oh, now look at his shoes. He's even got socks on.
He's got little slippers.
So, I don't know. Whoever thinks of this, good job. Good job. Oh, okay. So the jingle bell thing again. Bells everywhere. You're going to see bells in every video. And of course, this could go with just about anything. It could go with traditional. It could go with the creamy look. That'd be gorgeous with the Santa that
Right.
just fell over.
That just-
But that really.
Well, we have it in red too.
Yes,
So,
that's right.
yeah.
That's right. Traditional.
So-
Oh, okay.
Oh yes, we're going on to the Nutcrackers. So he has a taller brother somewhere.
We'll see him in the next video.
yes,
The big
so,
guys.
But
I just
you
think
know,
he's
the
gorgeous.
black and white
Yeah.
theme, if that's your thing, that would be stunning.
And you
with
know,
that.
even that's the thing. Yeah, you know, he looks so stunning, and then pop in some greenery.
Mm-hmm.
You know, he looks pretty. And then the bells would go off of there. There's just so many
Lots
ways
of
you can
options,
do. Or
lots
you
of
can, you know,
options.
buy your Christmas, but you know, from year to year, if you want to change it, you can just mix things around and get a totally different look. It just amazes me how much fun you can have with this. Okay, last but not least, pictures. You know how I love pictures. Now, let's see. I'll start with this guy. Actually lights up, and I should have had him lit up. I apologize, but he lights up with multi-lights all throughout. Canvas picture, just beautiful. They do the best, and it is a timer so that it'll stay on for so long and go off, and you don't have to, you know, switch. And I think this is the mini version. Ta-da! And he lights up as well. I love these for tablescapes, you know,
Yeah,
and on the
just
end
to
of
mix
coffee
in a
tables
little.
and stuff. There will be a lot of light up prints.
Well, and trying to get the stack off so it won't.
Yeah, because he shines really
Yes.
pretty. This is a beautiful.
Well, and the glitter. I mean,
Look
your
at
light's
that.
going to catch that.
It's stunning, just very fresh.
I like
And
the
I think,
frame.
I have a feeling there's two patterns maybe.
Okay.
But, and that's kind of, yeah, oh yeah, pull up the Santa.
And then we've got some various Santas. So this one's one of Maddie's favorites.
I think that
I
one's
like
gorgeous.
the textures on it. Little pop of teal in there, and
Oh yeah.
she thinks it looks familiar.
That glass.
And
I
there's
kind of
another
like
one.
some of those colors they were pulling in, just a little bit.
Well, the orange. You
The
know, I like
oranges,
that,
yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And, you know, Joe, we are voracious readers. Look. You know, and he's checking the list, and I'm sure we're on the good side, don't you think? Hopefully, except for when we knocked that Santa down over there. But other than
For
that,
yourself.
okay, there's Santa. Okay, let's see. One more sign.
One more sign.
Oops, hello. Yes, you know me, tripping on air. Ta-da! This is fun. This is fun. You could do so many things with this. You can put it over a fireplace and decorate. You can hang it on your wall and put greenery. I could see that even on a front porch entrance.
Well, I was going to say, I'm thinking
Yeah.
of the front porch.
Yeah, because it's just, I don't know, it's just gorgeous. It's fun because you could do so much
Well,
with
it's
it.
metal. So it'll wear well.
Wood frame and metal, but a good size, a good big size. And there's going to be a lot of small components that will go with this once we get going. So thank you for joining us. Catch us here. We have Etsy. We have Amazon. We have YouTube. Join the channel. We're having fun with all of this, and we're glad you all are part of it. We will bring you more, so join us soon. Bye.
See ya.